and welcome. This is Khushbu Batta and today we will learn how you can automatically send a Slack message whenever a new product is added in LeadSquared. So let's say you run a business and you want every time a new product is added in LeadSquared, a Slack message should be sent for the same. So how will you do it? First, you can go to LeadSquared, copy all the product details, come back to Slack, compose a message, add these product details manually and send it via Slack. However, this can be a time-consuming process. So how about you try our Pabbly Smart way? Here we will integrate LeadSquared with Slack, all using Pabbly Connect. So whenever a new product is added in LeadSquared, a Slack message will automatically be sent with the product details. And the best part is this entire automation process is so simple that it can even be done by a person of non-technical knowledge. Another best part is that you can do this same entire automation process with different applications. For example, you can use WooCommerce instead of LeadSquared or WhatsApp in place of Slack. Now come to my screen to see how we do it. To automatically send channel message in Slack when a new product is added in LeadSquared, let us first go to Pabbly's website. On the top right, you will see two options, sign up free and sign in. Since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Now Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name the workflow. We will simply write LeadSquared to Slack, create. It will show you two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. So for the trigger application, we will select LeadSquared. For the trigger event, we will select new product because we want whenever a new product is added in LeadSquared, a Slack message should be sent on the same. So here it will generate a webhook URL. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects two applications. So let us copy this. And now you can follow these steps for the integration. So for this, we will have to go to the LeadSquared account, then follow this path, settings, API and webhooks. So let us go to LeadSquared. This is my LeadSquared dashboard. Come to the right hand side. On the drop down, you will see settings option. Now straight come to the left hand side and you will see API and webhooks. Now here it will show you webhook option. Click there. And on the right hand side now it says a create option. Okay, so here we will have to fill in the details. For the event, we will select product create. Like you can see here in the instructions, it is written select product create from event drop down. Then select content type as application JSON from drop down. Okay, so product create we have selected. Here we will paste the URL that we had copied. Remember this the URL that we had copied? Yes, we are going to select that and paste it. Content type would be application JSON. Yes, it is fine. And now let us save it. So it says webhook added successfully, like you can see here. Now let us go to Pabbly's page and yes, we will click on recapture webhook response. Now it will show you waiting for webhook response. Now to check if it is integrated, let us go to LeadSquared and add a dummy product. Here we come. On the left hand side, come to Leads. Now scroll down and down, you will see products. Click on Manage Products. Now on the right hand side, Create Product it will show you. Let us fill in the product details. So here I have filled in the product details. You can see the product ID, product name is Peacock Gown, product description is blue and green color. Let me quickly correct this, blue and green color. Then the texture is satin and velvet texture. So these were the product details. Now let us just save it and you can see the product is added here, Peacock Gown. Now let us go to Pabbly's page and see if it has received the response. And here you will see it has received the response. Like you can see the name of the product, peacock gown, the product ID is here, then the product description is here, then the created by the person, its name is there, and so on, and other details, created time and other things are here. So this means that we have successfully integrated LeadSquared with Pabbly. Now on to the next step, that is action step. For the action application, we will select Slack. Yes. For the action event, we will select Send Channel Message. Let us connect. Add new connection. Okay, here it will ask you for the token type. Enter the token type as either user or bot. We will write user here. To know your token type, you can click here. Here in this link, there are all the details. We will write user. Now let us save. Give me the permission. And authorization successful. So it says Slack is successfully connected with Pabbly. All right. Now you will have to select a channel here. These are the channels that I have on my Slack account. I will select general. Like you can see it here. This is my general channel. So I want to send message in this group. So I have selected general. Now message is required. You can write the message you want to frame. I am writing, hi, we have added, then the product detail I will take from here. Name of the product comes here, gown, in our collection. Then I can write product description. Again, I will map it from here. This is the description, blue and green color, satin and velvet texture. All right. Now we will just put a full stop and okay. So this was the message. This is the message that I want to send. That hi, we have added this product name in our collection. Product description is as follows. All right. If you have image URL, you can map the URL as well or paste it simply. Same for the image alt text. We will leave it like this. Now straight away come down and let us save and send test request. Okay, it says response received. This was our message. Like you can see, the message would show up like this. Now let us go to Slack and see if the message was received. And yes, here you can see the general channel and you can read it here. Hi, we have added a peacock gown in our collection. Product description is as follows. Yes, we've successfully received the message. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.